If you're into DIY projects, crafting, or repairs, you need a glue gun that delivers precision, power, and safety. That's exactly what the Gorilla Dual Temp Mini Hot Glue Gun Kit offers. This all-in-one set includes a dual-temperature mini glue gun and 30 impact-tough glue sticks. Perfect for delicate materials like fabric and foam at low heat, or strong bonding on wood, plastic, metal, and glass at high heat. Designed for ease and safety, the glue gun features lightweight and comfortable grip for long crafting sessions, built-in stand and wide base for stability, long insulated nozzle for precise application, safety fuse and side fins to prevent overheating and glue backup. The weather-resistant glue sticks offer a 45-second working time. Whether you're a crafter, hobbyist, or DIYer, this glue gun kit is a must-have tool. Grab yours today. Link in the description. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome finds.